Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the types of arrays, that is multidimensional array. Array is of two types. First one is one-dimensional array and the other one is multidimensional array. In one-dimensional, we use single dimension to access the data. The example that I mentioned in the introduction part video and the last video was also about one-dimensional array only. I will provide the links in description box. Okay. First, we will understand how to represent one-dimensional array. Once I set a base, then we will move forward to multidimensional. So, let us define a single dimensional array. Here, A is the array name of size 5. It represents integer data type. To represent it, let us create 5 locations. We will give an index to it like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We named it as A. If I want to access the second element, then I will access it simply by A of 1. It will access this location. Already we have discussed about this one-dimensional array very clearly in our last video. Once you go through that. Now, let us move towards multidimensional array. In multidimensional array, we will increase the dimensions. In the 2D array, there will be a dimension for the rows and another for the columns. You must have seen a simple 2D array in the Excel file in which we can add the data in the form of rows and columns. Apart from this, you must have seen matrices. Matrix is also worked as a 2D array. Let us define 2D array. To represent 2D array, we use two indices. One shows the number of rows and other shows the number of columns. Consider array A is of integer data type. So, how to represent it? It contains 3 rows and 4 columns. Now, we will define an index value for every row and column. Let us start with 0. 0, 1, 2. These are the number of rows. We will also give index values for columns by starting from 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Its name will be A. Then how to access each element? Like if I talk about this, how we will access it? By using A of 0, 0. So the name of its location is A of 0, 0. Similarly, the second one will be A of 0, 1 and this will be A of 1, 0, right? So, if I want to access A of 1, 3, then which element will occur? A of 1, that is the row is 1, which means second row. A of 3, that is column is 3, which means fourth column. Why? Because index starts from 0 only. So, A of 1, 3 means the element in this box will be accessed. This is 2D array. Look, we have created an array of 3 by 4. Remember that the total number of elements will be 3 into 4. 3 is the number of rows and 4 is the number of columns. Then 3 into 4 will be 12. So, the total number of elements will be 12. Now, we will understand 3D array also. How we will define 3D array? Let us take integer data type only. And A is the name of the array. Here, another dimension gets added because it is a 3D array. So, here I entered A of 2, 3, 4. The number of array is 2. The rows in those arrays will be 3 and the columns will be 4. Then how to represent it? So there are 2 arrays. Now the base will be 0 for the first array and 1 for the second array. And the name of the array is A. Now, if we want to access A of 1, 2, 3, then which element will be accessed? Here, A of 1 means second array. Of 2 means second row of it. Of 3 means third column element. So this element will be accessed. In this way, the elements are accessed. Then what will be the total number of elements here? We have to do 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. So the total number of elements is 24. This is not memory representation. All 2D or 3D arrays, which means all the multidimensional arrays are stored as 1D arrays in the memory. We just see it in this way because we are representing it in front of you in this way. But when they take the locations in memory, they are stored as one-dimensional array only. So this is about multidimensional array. In our next video, we will study how to give them addresses and how to find the address of a particular element. So in this video, if the concept is helpful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for more interesting new updates. Thank you.